Hi, so the phone is connected to the car Bluetooth, and now we try to make a phone call to some number. Okay, we see it's connected, was answered, but no sound. Even if we put louder, there's no sound. Now if we put the microphone off, now I can listen the sound on the headphone of the phone. So this is one of the problems. Okay, some other problem is that the wheel control is not working. Like sound off, it's not working. If we go to the menu on the settings, steer wheel keys, okay, we go to reset, and then we want sound off. Okay, try to press the button, we hold down the button, it's nothing happened. Okay, so this is the second problem. As you see, Bluetooth, it's connected. If we want, I have the okay. Okay, so the phone is connected and is ringing. Still no sound. Okay, this is the major problem.